What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like, and definitely drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to Instagram, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, getting straight to it, man. Y'all are here for one reason. For these Union Dunks, man. I got two pair here. I'm gonna start with, in my opinion, I'm not gonna say the worst pair of the pack, but my least favorite pair out of the pack. Starting out with the box, man. It is called the passport pack that Union went with. So the whole box is themed like a passport. Even has a flight ticket as if you were traveling somewhere. Has the Sydney 48 Nike logo that Union has been using lately. Just an overall dope box with really nice details to really insinuate the passport pack. The tag reads Nike Dunk Low /U for Union. This colorway is court purple / white and off the yellow. Size 11.5, man. Personal pair, personal size. Now getting into the box, man, you can see the paper has the stamps as if you would get on your passport if you're traveling to a different country. Super dope details, man. I love like dope dope additions to the packaging, man. That really makes the shoe just that much better, man. Grab both of these shoes out of here real quick. Oh. Here we go with the Nike Dunk Low City Pack is what they're calling these, or the Lakers colorway. Purple and yellow. Union is an LA-based store, so a lot of people are calling these the Lakers colorway, which you can really see from the purple and gold hits, man. I really do like this pair, man. That's why I didn't want to call it the worst out of the pack. It's my least favorite. Still a solid pair. It does look a lot better in hand than it does on the pictures. But getting into the shoe, man, you see it has this ripstop nylon on the top, man. Purple hits underneath there to really give it that Lakers colorway with the gold stitching all the way around. Thus has the gold Union tag that they've been using on all of their releases, from the Jordan 1 to the Jordan 4. Even I believe on the 2s and the Cortez, they still be using that tag, man. So this is like their staple. Has a nice thick cardboard hang tag on here. Really cool, man. Can't really complain about the details and the quality of the shoe. It does come with an extra set of purple laces if you're not feeling the white. I personally would rock the white with these, just to let the other colors do the popping on the other aspects of the shoe. I wouldn't add that purple, just be a little too much in my opinion. But it is there for the person that would like it. Like I said, I personally would be rocking a white in these joints, man, with probably a LeBron jersey. I know it's basic, man, but it's a Lakers colorway. You can't go wrong with a Lakers jersey, man. Kobe or LeBron. Super nice shoe, man. I know I've seen a couple of people with their pistachio pair. They cut off the nylon ripstop and it shows a leather underneath here. So there would be a purple leather on the toe box and purple leather on the side panels. Super clean, man. Has a Sydney 48 logo right there on the button, man. Can't really complain about these, man. This is the Lakers colorway, like I said. Y'all let me know if y'all are feeling these joints, man. Is this where does this pair rank as far as the three in the pack? Is this your favorite? Is this your least favorite? Or is it number 2, man? Y'all let me know down below. Now this pair did already release at Union, and it'll be seeing a wider release at the at your local neighborhood boutiques like Social Status, Flyeerr, Premium Goods. I believe Center's getting them in Dallas, Politics, and all of your stores like that, man. So you do have one more chance on Thursday to grab these from your local boutiques, man. So good luck with that, man. Hopefully you guys already put your raffles in and did your footwork, and hopefully you can just come out on top of one, man. So the Lakers colorway, Union Dunk. We're gonna slide right into the next colorway that I have for you guys. Now getting to the next pair, which is actually my favorite from the pack. Still has that passport themed box. Still has your flight ticket on the top, man. That's probably like one of my favorite details of the box is the flight ticket. Same logos all the way around with the Union LA on top. And the tag on this one reads Nike Dunk Low /U for Union. Hyper Royal white and Psychic blue. This is an 11.5. Also personal pair. This pair will definitely not be leaving the collection. If anyone were to leave it, it'd definitely be that purple pair, but I'll probably keep all of them since I grabbed them for retail, honestly. Has that same passport stamp on the inside paper. Now getting to the shoes, man, super nice, man. This is my favorite one, man. It's Argon colorway. or the light blue, whichever nickname you want to use for it, man. This is my favorite one out of the pack, man. The Argon Blue Nike Dunk Low by Union. This does kind of give me the Off-White UNC vibes, not just because of like the rugged like stitching and the rugged like ripstop that they use, but because of the light blue and the orange hits, it just kind of gives me the flavor of a Off-White UNC, man. Now this one does come with extra laces. This is where the Hyper Royal comes in on the laces, and the Hyper Royal is on the back of the Nike. There's a couple of Hyper Royal stitchings around, like maybe on the top of the tongue, but it's mainly the light blue, or the Psychic Blue is what they call it on the label. This is the pair that hits for me, man. It has the orange hits all the way around, orange stitching, still has that yellow Union tag like usual, the same thick cardboard hang tag. Super dope, man. This is my favorite pair out of the pack, man. When I first seen them do any rollouts or any images of these, this was the pair that I had to have. The Pistachio was in second to me, then the Lakers is in third, man. I'm just not too much of a fan of the purple, but this shoe does actually look good. The Lakers colorway does actually look good. I'm just not too much of a purple guy, but this blue pair is just super duper duper clean to me, man. Y'all leave a comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite, bro. Now this pair already released through Union's website, just like the purple pair, but the purple pair will only be available at boutiques tomorrow on Thursday, which will be April 7th. Hopefully I can get this video up tonight or by Thursday morning. But this pair will release on sneakers on Thursday, April 7th. So you do have one more chance. It is a draw. I know the draws are kinda super duper hit or miss, super hard and unpredictable, man, but definitely try your luck in the draws. That'll probably be your last chance to grab these. Like I said, they both released on Union site together, but they only let you grab one pair from the website. You can only go for one colorway. So that put a hitch in a lot of people's plan of trying to grab both colorways, but you know, there are pairs out here in the streets, man. You're just gonna have to maybe pay resale or do a little trading or do a little bartering for it, but there are pairs available, man. This one, like I said, releases tomorrow on sneakers. It is a draw, so good luck on that. Releases 9 a.m. Central Time. So, man, just go ahead, set your alarms, man. Get up in the morning and try for these joints, man. This is my favorite pair of the pack. You guys leave a comment down below or what your order is, man. Is it the Argon, is it Pistachio, or is it the LA Lakers colorway? Let me know which one is your favorite, and let me know which one is your least favorite, man. They're all pretty good colorways to me. You can't really go wrong with either one that you get your hands on, but like I said, this baby blue one is definitely my favorite out of the pack. Hands down, man, hands down. But with that said, man, that pretty much wraps it up for this video, man. I gave you guys a good look at both colorways, both the Lakers colorway that's gonna release at the boutiques tomorrow, and the Argon colorway that's gonna release on sneakers, man. Good luck and happy hunting, man. Hopefully you guys did your footwork. Wishing you the best luck on sneakers tomorrow, man. Hopefully that draw lands in your favor. And like I said at the beginning of the video, man, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content, man. And definitely hit a follow on IG as well, man. We got both Unions here. Only missing the Pistachio pair. We got the Lakers colorway. We got the Argon colorway, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time on the next video, the next unboxing, or the next sneaker event, man. Peace.